He fled into the desert, the cave is only home. He whispered out his sorrow, I'm all that's left alone. But you were not in thunder, nor wind that split the stone. You came in share a silence, a voice that calmed his soul. You speak in quiet love, your whisper makes us whole. Told him, rise and journey, my work is not yet done. There still remains a remnant, a people held by grace. You send him back with courage, a calling to fulfill. For even in the silence, your mercy lingers still. Speak in quiet love, your whisper makes us whole. When fear begins to gather and shadows cloud our way, let silence be your language, your presence in the dark. You speak in quiet love, your whisper makes us whole.